I think it has to be this month. And as I said, with Barry and his team already leaving the building, it leaves a vacuum there. It needs to be filled. It needs to be filled pretty soon. So if it's not this week, it needs to be starting next week. We can't have this keep dragging on. There's obviously uncertainty. The players are out of contract in the summer. They'll need a wee bit of clarity before they make a final decision on going. We know about Balogun and Hagi. Off the top of my head, there's a few more. Some of the guys come back for loan. We need somebody in ASAP. Even if it is the official start when the players come back for pre-season in the middle of June or whenever it is, they'll start working as soon as they're announced and confirmed. They'll start thinking, what am I going to do? What do I need? What do I want my plans to be? How do I want to set this up? We need somebody in place as soon as possible, and I'm hoping it's going to be this week.